You said never let me go.
Today we'll make this design. So first let's go into the elements and go into the apps and search for font frame. We will get the font frame app. After that, write the text, that is a bird in my case. Choose a file and adjust the image. After adjusting the image, we'll go into the settings and we will choose the font we would like. We will directly click to the add to design. We will adjust the design we have got. After adjusting the font image, we will take the bird's cutout and we will adjust the bird